In this video, we'll demonstrate how to make any subject into a sticker in iPhone 15. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Creating things as stickers is fun, most importantly. It makes communication engaging and sporting. In the modern era, most people, in their free times, do not go into any deep conversation. Rather, they just keep exchanging new stickers for fun and time pass. To turn anything into stickers, open your iPhone camera and take a photo of the subject you want to transform into a sticker. Ensure the shot is clear and well-framed. Navigate to your gallery or simply tap the small square in the bottom left corner to view the photo you just took. Tap and hold the subject in the photo that you wish to convert into a sticker. An animation will pop up around your selection. Release the tap and hold, and a small window will appear. Select Add Sticker from the options provided. Congratulations! You've successfully created a custom sticker. To enhance it with effects, tap Add Effects. A variety of effects will be available. Choose the one that suits your style or preference. To preview your sticker with effects, head over to a messaging platform like WhatsApp and use it in a conversation. Now, we have a free bonus tip for you too. This sticker creation process works seamlessly with videos as well. Follow the same steps and enjoy adding custom stickers to your memorable moments. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.